Good morning guys, my name is Dr. Anil Sharma from the Sharma Clinic, and today we will be discussing Bellafill. So you're probably all wondering, what is Bellafill? Bellafill is a filler gel which helps create more volume and fill in premature lines. But what's more with Bellafill is you actually get recreation of your own collagen, which lasts up to 5 years. So dermal fillers are fantastic at restructuring the aging facial architecture and providing instant results. But the gap was affording patients a long-term solution where they were putting collagen into their tissue bank for the next couple of years, and the solution was Bellafill. One of the breakthroughs that Bellafill afforded us was the treatment of acne scarring. It's a very difficult condition to treat, and often patients are undergoing numerous laser treatments and other facial laser treatments with very limited results. Bellafill is one of the only FDA and Health Canada approved dermal fillers that provides a long-term solution in actually restructuring the dermal collagen to provide smoother skin. One of the other large uses of Bellafill in my own personal practice is restructuring of the jawline, the cheek area, and also sometimes even areas such as the laugh lines and the temple crease. Patients are wanting longer term solutions. The cost is slightly higher than dermal fillers, but you will require fewer treatments because by the 1 year mark, you will have your own collagen working for you. Therefore, fewer treatments and a reduced budget for our patients. Okay, so there we have it, a quick look at Bellafill, its uses, how it works, and what the principles behind it are. I personally really like this product due to the long-term results. And I think we'll be doing some promotions in our practice around Bellafill, so keep posted. Thanks for watching.